In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable VPN in Opera browser. By the end, you'll have Opera's built-in VPN turned on and know how to pick a location right from the address bar. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. We're using the free built-in VPN that ships with Opera, so there's nothing extra to download. If your browser looks a little different from what you see here, that's okay. Opera updates often, but the options we need are the same. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings. It's the gear icon. This opens Opera's main preferences page where you can control privacy and security features. Inside Settings, find and click the VPN section. In some versions, you'll see it listed under Privacy and Security. In others, it appears on the main Settings page. Either way, open the VPN area to reveal its controls. Now locate the switch labeled Enable VPN and toggle it on. The moment you do, Opera activates its secure connection for browsing inside Opera, and you'll notice a new VPN badge appear at the top of the browser near the address bar. This built-in VPN only affects traffic in Opera, not other apps on your computer, which is perfect for quick private browsing sessions. With VPN enabled, go to the top of the address bar and click the VPN button. A small panel opens showing your connection status and controls. From here, choose the location you want to use. Pick optimal location for the fastest, most reliable connection, or select a region such as Europe, the Americas, or Asia to appear as if you're browsing from that area. Switching regions can help with access and sometimes improve speed. Keep in mind, using a VPN can slightly reduce performance, and a few sites may behave differently. If a page doesn't load as expected, try another region. That's all there is to it. Open Opera, go to Settings, select VPN, enable it, then use the VPN button in the address bar to choose your location. You're ready to browse with an extra layer of privacy inside Opera.